Hello everyone. I just want to do a quick demo on how this high productivity tax tracker works. And this is a very great tool for managing tax. It gives a very good overview of how you're performing on your tax week by week and month. And ever since I launched this, I've received some wonderful, heartwarming reviews. And so I want to do this quick one so that you can also get to know how this tool actually works. And so starting from the top interface, you could see some bars and charts up there. This is because I already have some data imputed in the tax session. So we'll get there shortly. So if you look at the left corner, the top left corner, you can clearly see that I have 4 urgent tasks, 4 high tasks, 3 medium tasks, and low. So this actually shows how the tasks are distributed. I have 4 urgent, so I need to really work on it and close it out. And if you pick the tax by category, this clearly shows how the tax are distributed across various spheres of your life. And so with this charts, you could see that I've dedicated one tax. There's one tax that is linked to finance and so forth. We have 3 tax for leisure and health, one tax for family and so forth and so on. So this gives a very good overview of where your focus is on. So you're assuming this shows the monthly progress. Then you can make some informed decision that okay, that this month, I mean, looking at this charts, I've spent a lot of time on leisure, faith, and other things. So maybe next month I need to work much on family. So that is it. And at the middle interface, it clearly shows the tasks that are completed. So throughout the month, I've completed 50% of the tasks that I've assigned. This is for demo purpose. So this is picking the data from the information I've imputed at the tax column. So you could clearly see it here. I have the total tax that is 14 and tax done is 7. So that is half of the 14, and that is why you are seeing the 50% here. Okay, so just to go deeper and deeper on this, this is just a table picking up information from the data here. So let me go down, and you could see, I mean, we've categorized this to week by week. So you could have week 1, week 2, week 3, and all the way to week 4. So this gives a good interface on your whole month, for the entire month. Okay, so the tax, we have it here. So you start by imputing the tax that, I mean, you want, or yes, the tax that you have on your table. So let me uncheck some of the tax, and I'll use one as a demo. Okay, all right. So yes, I have a tax to read rich dad poor dad. You could just type it in. Let me do that quickly. Read rich dad. Okay, then maybe poor dad. Right. Okay. Uh, okay. Read rich dad poor dad. Okay. So read rich dad poor dad. What is the status? Okay. So maybe it is in progress. I've started, or it's on hold, or I've cancelled it. Let me say it is in progress, right? Then the priority, is it an urgent, high, low, medium task? Okay, Richard, okay, let's say it's a medium task. I put it there. Where does it fall into the category? And so if you look at the drop down, is it related to work, faith, personal development, family, or so forth? I think it's personal development. So you select personal development. Then the due date, that means you want to set a target when you want to complete it. So this is how it works. Now I want to show us something very quick. Let's say I want to impute tomorrow's date, which is I think is 4th, what is 4th of June. So let me put the June here, that is 6. Then I have 4th June, right? Then I have 4th. Let me put the 4th here, 04. Then we do 2025. Okay, so you could see because I entered today's date, okay, it quickly picks the tax for today. It pops it up, and it's this is by count, so it clearly shows that these are the tax, or this shows the tax that you have for the day. So you could see, let's say I pick the second tax, that is save $100. I go through the process. Okay, the status have not, or is on hold. Okay, maybe this is a high or urgent tax. I do that. Interestingly, okay, so this is finance, so it's already set in the system. Then let me change the date to today's date again. Let me change the date to today's date again, which is 6th, that is representing the month. Then the date to be 4, right? And I change it to 2025 again. I enter, it comes here. So this clearly gives you a good interface. Just at a glance, you can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to tasks that are due for today. So you can have your focus on that, and you can complete that. And the due date is there. If you set it to a different date, say I set it to, let's see, let me see, 10th June, right? Let's see, 10th June. Okay, so it gives you 6 days. It means it's level 6 days to catch up with the due date. So basically that is how it works. And we have some notes for the week, so you can keep all the notes here. Whatever thing you want to comment, you put it there. Now let's look at how the tracking thing works. And so if, as soon as you complete the task here, you tick the box. So let's say I've completed reading Rich Dad Poor Dad. I just tick the box, and as soon as I tick it, the percentage starts reading. Okay, and you can do honest by also ticking completed. Okay, so completed, for you to get a very good feedback on the graphs up there. So let's also take save, then it's read here. Pray, or pray for the sick, it's read here, and so forth. Assuming I take everything, it will be 100%. That means I've completed all the tasks, that I've set up. Now if you come to this section, it also takes a very good overview of how you are performing over the weeks. So this shows that, okay, week 1, I've really done well for week 1. I completed 80% of my task. Week 2, I did this. Week 3, then I'll know that what happened. I mean, week 1 I did 80%. So what are the tasks that I was able to complete? Week 2, maybe next month I should focus more on week 2, or I should be able to close all the tasks and get it to 100%. And so that is it. We come to week 2, the same thing as we did earlier. You can tick all to get to 100%. Yes, and as soon as we get to 100%, this bar chart moves to 100%, and this is already 80%. So I can also take this. Then we move to 100%. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 100%. So it goes on and on to week 3 and week 4. And so this clearly feeds into the tax that I have up here. And so it shows that yes, throughout the month I had one tax that is linked to finance and so forth and so on. So this is a quick one. It gives a very good overview of what you are doing in a month. This is your personal tracker. So you could see that yes, in a month I'm focusing more on work, I'm focusing more on faith, or I'm lacking with family. So I need to prioritize certain things with regards to my family. I need to work more on the activities at work. So it's kind of a blend between your personal life and your work, whatever work or business that you are in. So far as we have tax in there, you can put it here and keep track of it. And I think this is a very great tool. It's a high productivity tool, and I want to recommend this for you. You can get it. You can get it, and I'll be very open to receive your kind reviews. Okay, so this is supposed to be a short demo, but I think I've elapsed the time. So thank you very much. You can always connect, and I'll give you more details on how it works. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, and all the best. Bye.